Lesson 2, Working with Forms and Events. Objective of this lesson is, here you will learn how to work with forms and events in MS Access using VBA. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand common form events and also write VBA code to respond to form events, and also you will learn create interactive forms with buttons, text boxes and combo boxes. In Microsoft Access, so what is meant by forms? Forms are used to interact with data in your database. They provide a user-friendly interface for entering, editing, and viewing data. Events are actions that occur on a form or control. For example, clicking a button, changing a value in a text box. You can write a VBA code to respond to these events. Now, you should understand the common form events. Here are some common form events you will work with. On load occurs when the form is loaded. On click occurs when a button is clicked. After update occurs after a value in control. Example, text box or combo box is changed. On change occurs while the value in the control is being changed. So these are the events work with forms. So this is our practical example 1. So here I am going to explain you how to display a message when so this is our first practical example. Here I am going to explain you how to display a message when the form loads. Here I use VB coding part to do this. Let's create a form that displays a welcome message when it loads. So how to create a form? Click on the create button, then select blank form. Then you will have a form like this. Then add a label to form and set its caption to welcome to the form. So to go to the properties window, just right click on the empty form and select form properties. So then you can see a properties window. So they are under the caption. Change caption to welcome to the form. So from this properties window, you need to select event tab. Okay, click on the event tab from the properties window of the form. Then load event to event proceed. Open the property sheet. Click build button. Next on load to open VBA editor. Then what you should do is next is open the property sheet. So this is the property sheet. And at the time you need to select the design view of your form. Right click and select design view. Then under the select event procedure, after that you need to click on this. Then you loads to the VBA window. So under the VBA window, under the form load event, you need to write the following code. So MST message box welcome the form as loaded. And ends up. So save it. Save the form as FRM welcome. You can save your form as FRM welcome. Otherwise you can give your own name. Then switch to the form. We'll close the VBA editor. Then switch to the form view. To test it, when the form loads, you should see the welcome message. Okay. For example, now we are in a design mode. If you right click and select form view, then you can see our welcome message loads like this. So that is how automate form. So I mean this is a very simple example and be under the form. So my next example is I'm going to explain how to change the background color of a text box. Okay, how to change the background color of a text box. So then again you need to create a form where the background color of the text box changes when you enter data. So here again click on the create tab and select blank form. Then you need to add a text box. Just right click and go to design view, then click on the design tab, then select text box control and drag the text box like this. Then right click on the selected text box, then select properties window. See under the other tab you need to give a name like txt input. txt input. Then the property sheet and set the text box after update event to event procedure. So under the select the text box and go to the property sheet. Select the after update event. Then select event procedure. Then click on this button. Then you can go to the VBA editor window. Then you need to place the following code line under the subroutine txt input after update. So there you need to put this subroutine. If me.txt input dot value, then me.txt input dot back color equal VB yellow. Else me dot txt input dot back color equal VB white. Then end if. Then save your form. Now you can save your form according to your desired name. Switch to the form. Now I close the VBA window. Then switch to the form view. Now I am going to enter some text. You see, the background color changed to yellow. If you clear the text, it should turn to white again. You see, after I clear the text and enter, then it will turns to white. So if I add text, then it turns to yellow. Once I delete the text, it turns to white. So that is how to use VBA code to change text box color. Now the third example is I'm going to show you how to create a button to open another form. Let's create a form with a button that opens another form. I am going to create a new form. Create blank form. Then I am going to add a button. Right click, go to design view, then select design tab and add a button. Then I'm going to change the caption of this button to open, and then I'm going to then go to the properties sheet of your button. So there under the property sheet you need to send buttons click event to on click event to event procedure. On click event to event procedure and click this button. So there I want to give a name. So my button name is BTN open form. BTN open form. Now I saved my form. Then again click this three dots button. Then you move to the VBA window. Then you need to place the following code under the button form click event. So what is the command line? To cmd dot open form so here I want to open just say form 1. Then save the procedure, then exit from the VBA window and go to the what we called form view, then click on this button. So once you click on this button, form 1 loads. Close, then again click. You see it opens the form 2. Now it opens form 1. Now I am in form 2. Now just click on this button, you see form 1 opens. So this is how we can use VBA to open another form using button. Next example is filter record using a combo box. Now how to fill records using combo box using VBA codes. So that is what I am going to explain you next with a practical example. So let's create a form where you can filter records using a combo box. Now again I want to create a form. Now I want to save my form. Now it's form 3. Now I want to create a table. Click on the create tab. Click on the table. Then press S. Now I want to save my table as TBL employees. Right. So the fields are, go to design view. Fields are employee ID. First field is employee ID. Then employee name. So just say first name. Then last name. Then department. Now I want to save my table. Now I want to go to data sheet view. Now this is my table. Now I want to add some sample data into the table. Just say employee number is 1001. First name is France. Last name is Ashoka. Department is just say marketing. Now I want another record. Into another record. 1002. Gamini. Then Pereira. Counts. Now I want to add another record. 003. Arjun. Okay. Department is HR. HR, right. Now, after that, I want to create a form. Okay. Now, this is the form I have already created. Then go to design view. Then click on this button and right click. Go to properties. So there, I want to create a form bound to TBL employee. So there, under the data tab of the properties window, I want to select record source to TBL employees. Right. Now save the process. Then I want to add a combo box to the form. Now I'm going to design tab. Then click on the combo box and draw a combo box like this. Now my combo box name is CBO department. And now I want to set the combo box row source to now I want to select the combo box row source to like this. Okay. Just click on that button. So I want to put this SQL statement. Okay. Select distinct DIS DIN DIS DINCT. Department from TBL employees. Right. Now right click the form again and select the combo box. Then select the event procedure. There you need to select after update event and set under the after update, select event procedure and click this button. Now you are in a VBA editor window. There under the CBO department after update. This is the subroutine. So here I am going to place my code to filter records. Right. Now this is how my code goes. Me dot filter equals department. Within inverted commas, department equals and me dot CBO department dot value. Then again and mark. Here you see if you me dot filter department inverted comma first tick end of statement. Right. you need to put space there. Then me dot filter on equals true. Now save the procedure. Save the form as you wish. I mean, you can give in the side name here. You can use a far filter or something. So save the form. Now close the VBA window. Now select the form view. Now select a department from the combo box and form will filter to show only employees in that department. Now how to show the filtered records. So filtered records show using now here I can use subform to show the filtered records. So just click on the sign tab. So there you need to select subform and row subform like this. Then I'm going to use this option, use existing tables and queries. Click on the next button. There select all the columns of your table. Then again press next button and again press next button. Then click finish. Now I'm going to select the form view. Now once you are in the form view, you can see procedure like this. Now I want to select another department, just say accounts department. So once I select the accounts department, according to the combo box value, subform value change. Now if I select HR, so what happens? Subform table records filtered according to the combo selection. So if I select marketing, what happens? According to the combo box value, subform value filtered. So that is how we can use VBA to filter record under the forms. Now finally, if I summarize what we learned today, forms. We know forms provide a user-friendly interface for interacting with data. We discuss about forms, and also we discuss about events, actions that occur on a form or a control. For example, onload, on click, after update, like that. So we discussed we discussed about these things through examples and VBA code used to respond to events and automate tasks. Okay, that is the recap. Okay, now I want to give a homework challenge for you. Create a form. First one, what you should do is create a form with a button that closes the form when clicked. Okay, now the hint is use the ucmd.close method. Now the second example or the second homework challenge is add a combo box to a form that filters records based on date field. Example, order date, like that. So that is I think that is enough for today. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel, and do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon for more lessons. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.